Stop. He's going to rip in the pole off. Go, guys.
You got to.
How close is the train? What's he going to do?
I don't know unless it's... I think I hear the whistle. Oh my God, he is going to get hit. How are you not just going? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Thank God, it looks like he's okay.